Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about the best dropper bottle mockup design in Photoshop. So please watch this video till the end. After knowing its full features, you can then decide whether to choose this mockup design for your brand or not. You can download the PSD file and edit it. The download link is given in the description. Here are some of its features you should know. Create a realistic dropper bottle presentation in a few seconds. Dropper Bottle Mockup by GONER13 is a pack of 8 PSD files, perfect for showing up your design. Simple structure and replacing via smart objects make your work easier. Features: 8 PSD with different shoots and angles, 8 floor background texture, automatic background perspective, photorealistic look, easy for compositing shadows, easy to cut out, all masks included, fully layered PSD, easy file structure with a help file, 4000 x 3000 pixels, 96 dpi, quick start video guide. This image is used only to generate previews. Designs and fonts in the preview image are used for presentation purposes only, and it's not included. All trademarks are the property of their respective owners.